I have a very simple formula for writing a commercial script, the 4-step writing formula. Step 1. Start with a question or a problem that addresses your target audience. Step 2. Answer the question or problem with your solution, which is your business, product, service, app, or website. Step 3. Outline some features or benefits to support your claims or explain how it works. This can even be done with bullet points or a checklist to keep things looking organized. Step 4. Lastly, end with a call to action. Give your contact information like your website, phone number, or email, for example. Use action words like contact us today or register now. In the next lessons, I will give examples of how to use the formula within different writing style formats.